Should we like cut to a confessional moment where you like spill your
Then
heart?
we would have to vote her. No, I'm just
I'll enter an alliance with you, whatever you say.
I'm the host of this series, that's not fair. Freeze-dried meals. They're good for astronauts, backpackers, and of course in an emergency. But are they any good? Today we're pitting meals from 4 different brands against each other to find out what's actually worth stocking up on. This is a Wirecutter Taste Test. Today in the kitchen, I am joined by Cirie Fields, who has been on 6 seasons of Survivor. We're so happy to have you here.
well, thanks for having me.
And Jen Gushue, who wrote the emergency meal kits article for Wirecutter.
That's right. There's a couple of new brands in here, new meals that I haven't tried, but I have tried some of these before, so I do have a bit of a leg up today.
So we chose meals from 4 different brands in breakfast, dinner, and dessert.
Always need dessert in an emergency.
Always. First, breakfast foods. We're gonna taste all 4 of these and then decide our favorite before we move on to the next round. First up, we have Mountain House freeze-dried biscuits and gravy with pork sausage. If I didn't know that this is supposed to be biscuits and gravy, by looking at this, I would not be able to guess it. My mouth is not watering.
It's very, very beige.
Okay, let's dive
Here
in.
goes nothing.
Very flour forward.
But there is flavor in the sausage portion.
Oh, you're right. Actually, I just bit into a little sausage chunk.
I mean,
I've had worse.
I've had worse as well at home.
I do appreciate that the biscuit keeps a little bit of texture, though. That's kind of
It
nice.
does. It does.
But it's supposed to be gravy, and I'm sort of a gravy snob. Nobody makes gravy like my mother, so like Miss Tina's gravy is an Olympic athlete, and this is like a 12-year-old.
Just trying its darndest.
I'm sorry. I mean, it's not bad for an emergency situation,
Yeah.
but yeah, no, it can't compare to Miss Tina. Sorry.
Let's move on to the next one, shall we? The Summit Breakfast Scrambles. So this is insinuating that we have just hiked up a mountain, and then this is our reward.
Kind of looks like cat sick.
Got like a sandiness to it that I am not thrilled with.
Okay, Cirie's more into it.
This is low-key a flavor bomb.
It has a lot of flavor. I will give that
true.
to you. And the texture is the thing here that's a little off.
I taste peppers. It seems like there's onion
Yeah,
flavor.
the onions are here.
Little
It's got a
heat,
kick.
little
Yep.
heat. I mean, I didn't have lunch today, and this is my 4th
You're
bite,
right.
so
Next up, we've got Peak Refuel biscuits and gravy. So we've got a direct comparison with the first one we tried.
Double the calorie content, so we'll see what that means.
These are packed with protein and calories for good reason. Jen, when do people usually like bust these open?
I mean, you can tell by the packaging, they're really formulated for hikers and backpackers, but they have found a new life as emergency food rations, so something you can store in your basement or your attic for a rainy day if you need to evacuate. So they're really kind of formulated for high stress environments where you're burning a lot of calories. Survivor obstacle
Jeff.
course, for example. Yeah, we gotta get Jeff Probst in here to taste
I mean,
some
we
of
get
these,
rice.
too.
Why couldn't we get these meals?
And so, Cirie, tell us about the rations that you get on Survivor.
Something like this would be a luxury. They would probably save this for reward,
Yes.
believe it or not. Gravy? We would kill for gravy. You kind of detox your taste buds because you don't have anything. You haven't eaten for days. So when you get something like this, biscuits and gravy or some peppers, oh my God, you will arm wrestle anybody for a pepper on day 7 on Survivor. So yeah, I think these would do well.
I have to say right away, the scent is more appealing.
Let's see.
Like the aroma.
Oh, definitely.
Yes,
It
it's
hits
more.
It hits home.
It's more sausagey.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a step up. I feel like I would get this at a restaurant in like somewhere.
Let's not go too far. It's way more sausage in this
Way
one.
more sausagey.
Because of the amount of sausage, I think it takes away from that loose texture.
Yes.
Yeah. Not as floury, not as disintegrated biscuity.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a solid 7.
Wow.
Okay, that is insanely
That's
impressive.
pretty good.
Absolutely, especially starting out
Yeah.
like that.
Okay, let's move on to our last breakfast option, ReadyWise Pro Breakfast Skillet. So this looks like another eggy scramble.
It does, but it looks like scrambled eggs.
We have identifiable chunks of food in here for sure.
Ooh.
Wait.
That smell was a little bit like my dog's breath.
It's got that sulfury egg
Oh
smell.
no! Wait. Okay. I'm not going to listen to either one. I'm going to just blind try it.
That might be a one and done for me.
There's something a little off.
I took a big bite too.
Like egg curd there that I got. Not the worst thing, but the potato chunk
Maybe
was
that's what it is.
just like cardboard. This is a huge chunk of I don't know what, but it's like not coming apart.
Is it pepper?
I think it's a orange pepper.
Wait, is it cheese?
That better not be
Wait,
cheese.
what? Wait, there's only one way to find out.
You tell us. We'll trust you. Oh my. Is it cheese?
Yes, it is.
Oh, maybe that's the off-puttingness then.
Let's be done with this.
Yeah.
Let's choose a winner. 1, 2, 3. It's unanimous. Jen, what can you tell us about some of these brands that you're familiar with?
Yeah, so Mountain House ended up being our top pick in the guide. The taste was tolerable. You can buy kits that brings the cost per meal way down, and it's got the longest shelf life by far of any brand on the market. Wow. Mountain House has a lab-tested shelf life of 30 years, but I was talking to some of the people who formulate the food at Mountain House, and they said they have tasted food that's 50, 60 years old that has been willed to them by their ancestors.
That's as old as me.
It lasts forever.
Well, I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, let's move on to dinner. Let's start with the chicken fried rice. This is again from Mountain House.
It's got like a smoky, bacony kind
It
of
does smell bacony-ish. It takes me back to the rice on Survivor. I hate to say it.
Really?
The mushiness of it. And then the smoky smell. I think it's trauma.
from the campfire.
Trauma inducing. I'm like, wait a minute, where am I? I mean, no, it's not bad. You can taste the attempt at flavor, but it just comes off like fake.
Yeah, I wonder if there's liquid smoke in it or something.
If you use too much liquid smoke, you ruin the pot. I was got something that wasn't. The texture was that the egg?
Could be.
That's probably.
It's like a piece of a couch cushion. I don't like the egg in that.
This is similar to the Mountain House biscuits and gravy, where it's like, it's not the worst thing I've ever tasted, but it's not good.
Agreed.
All right, let's move on to pad thai with chicken.
Okay, it just looks like a lot of stuff happening. It looks alive almost. Like this one's got me nervous.
Uh-oh.
That's a lot of flavors all at once.
Whoa, yeah, holy moly.
Sweet and vinegary and spicy.
Yes!
All at the same time.
All at the same time.
And the more you chew,
Not that spicy.
the more it tastes like wood. Wow. Are you sure this is made for human consumption? What is it? It has to be a real emergency.
Okay, next up is Peak Refuel's beef stroganoff. It smells like sour cream.
Oh, is that
Bit of a cream
I
sauce.
can see the
Yeah.
creamy kind of smell.
Oh, these noodles are not insanely like soft, like gross pasta.
Right.
That's really impressive.
I think I see a mushroom.
Yeah, the mushrooms are good.
And it does taste sour creamy.
Under duress, this would lift my spirits.
I think so.
All right, let's move on. This is pork chili verde with beans.
Oh no.
It's giving me like leftover Chipotle bowl from 3 days ago.
Wow.
Yeah. It's like they add in so much spice at the end to try and like trick your tongue that it's good.
Cover it up.
Yeah, but it's not
It's
good.
not good.
Why does it taste musty?
Wait a minute, how long is the shelf life?
Best by 2030.
Oh, can you imagine how it's going to taste in 2030?
Ooh.
In the initial taste bud attack, it kind of fools you, but then once you chew it, it's like a little old library cardboardish.
Yeah.
It's almost like chalky element.
Yeah.
I'm ready to talk about our favorites.
Yeah.
ready
Are
as
you
well.
with me? 3, 2, 1, your favorite.
the stroganoff. It almost tastes like home.
I agree. That's certainly the highest comfort factor for me.
Comfort, flavor, texture, it kind of hit all of the buckets.
Yep. Peak again.
Peak. Wow.
Peak is peaking. Okay. My favorite round is coming.
This round is our dessert. Let's start first with the ice cream sandwich.
It almost fooled me. I was like, wait, we don't have freezer. How is it ice cream?
It looks really
does.
convincing.
Looks convincing, but this is
Oh, I feel like I might be able to spackle a wall with this. Let me try it. Oh boy.
okay. Wait, the flavor though?
I like it.
The flavors like ice cream sandwich.
It really is. That is wild.
Hated it. Awful.
This is Backpacker's Pantry creme brulee.
Oh my gosh. I always have to order creme brulee at any restaurant I go to.
It's like Pop Rocks on top.
The flavor's pretty good. There is a word that comes to mind that I
What?
hesitate to use.
Use it.
Phlegmy?
Oh,
Jen,
that's exactly right.
Why?
Pop rock sugar part is not bad. It's the texture.
It's the texture.
Of what you said.
It's like any pudding that you would get, like like Jello pudding or
Yeah.
something.
It
It's
just
not
takes
bad.
too long to get to the flavor. If the flavor hits you immediately, like some of the other items, then maybe you can kind of work through it.
I had higher hopes, I will say.
Let's try this mountain berry cobbler.
Wow.
Quite the color we've got there.
Very interesting.
It's like berry gloop.
Gloop?
Am I wrong?
Also, it's like gloop in like a non-demeaning way. It's
Exactly.
like, yeah, gloop.
Comforting gloop.
Comforting gloop, delicious gloop. Next, we've got ReadyWise Strawberry Granola Crunch.
The strawberry, I believe, is very strawberry.
It is.
And that makes it
Oh,
nice.
yeah. Ooh, that
It
wasn't
gives you
in
a
my first
pop
bite.
of nice flavor.
This round definitely had more pleasant flavors than the others. We all had quite a few positive things to say about kind of all of these.
Yeah.
I think let's cut the chatter and let's just point to our favorites.
Let's do it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, okay, Mountain House.
Yes.
What a comeback.
Honestly, in addition to being delicious, it's fun. That like texture is
Texturally,
so interesting.
all of it. It hits every box.
Let's get our favorites from each round out here. These are our favorites from breakfast, dinner, and dessert.
You know I love a final three. This could totally be my meal for the day.
I think I'm gonna need twice the ice cream sandwiches because I need a breakfast dessert and a dinner dessert.
Good call.
Do you two have a favorite?
I do. I do.
I think I could guess Cirie's. Let's be honest. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
I'm gonna go
the
savory.
Going savory.
That was satisfying.
Okay.
That was satisfying.
I agree.
Delicious. I think it was good.
I'd happily eat all.
I would eat all of them, but if I'm gonna just keep walking by the cabinet, I might keep grabbing the ice cream sandwiches.
Cirie, Fields, thank you so much for being here today. Jen, thank you for joining us on Taste
Thank
Test.
you.
This was so much fun.
This was great.
This was a lot of fun.
And don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone out there, and let us know in the comments below. Would you eat any of these? What do you think? Let us know. We'll see you back here next time. Bye.
Bye.